Can I actually become fluent in English in just 30 days using these specific topics and shadowing?
You've probably seen countless videos promising you can master English in no time, but let's get real, achieving fluency in just a month is a challenge many of us face.
For years, English learners have been struggling with slow progress, feeling frustrated and stuck.
You spend hours studying, but your speaking skills just don't seem to improve.
You lack confidence when speaking with native speakers, and finding an effective method to enhance your English skills seems like an impossible task.
I've been there too.
You try different methods, but nothing seems to work.
You feel like you're not getting anywhere.
But what if I told you there's a way to make your English learning journey smoother?
What if I shared with you some essential topics and a technique that can actually help?
These essential topics include vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation.
Mastering these areas will significantly enhance your English skills.
The shadowing technique, for instance, involves listening to native speakers and then repeating what they say.
For example, you listen to a native speaker saying, "The sunset on the beach was breathtaking," and then you repeat it exactly as they said it.
This helps you improve your pronunciation and intonation.
Achieving fluency in 30 days, however, requires a realistic perspective.
By fluent, we mean being able to communicate effectively and understand various situations.
It doesn't mean you're perfect. It means you can express yourself well.
Dedication is key here. You'll need to put in the effort daily.
Consistent practice and smart strategies are crucial for rapid improvement.
It involves not just studying, but also applying what you learn in real-life conversations.
Don't just learn, practice every day.
So, I encourage you to try these techniques, share your progress in the comments, and subscribe for more English learning tips and videos.
Your journey to fluency starts here, and I'm excited to be a part of it.